Today I'm at the Quesnel Bike Park to check what kind of trails they have here, and I have done couple runs already, and the trails are so good in here. It's so easy to climb up with the regular bike too, because there's the asphalt road, so access to trails are extremely good. And yeah, every bike park has been so good, better than the in Ruka, my home hill in Finland. Every trails have been better. Yeah, let's do more laps. We are at Quesnel Bike Park and this is even flow. Ohoho, vähän liukas. Omanlaiset linjat kyllä tällä kertaa. No brakes. Ei riitä vauhti tuohon viimeiseen, eikä tähän. Vähän vajaa. Oi oi oi. Mä käärään silmässä. The next trail is the black one, but I don't have full face helmet and I'm alone, so I don't take any risks. So before the sled season. And those ones. Oho, keula ylhäällä. And no. I take the red line. I haven't tried it yet, so... Whoa! Or is this the... Huh! It doesn't look so bad. Maybe I do it. Whoa! Whoa! The next trail is Lightning Bolt. Olipa vaikea. That's difficult to say. Green trail. Very good. But short. Ei riitä vauhit. The pedaling up lasts about 4 between 7 minutes, and those trails there are the shorter, so it takes only like 4 minutes, and up there maybe 7 minutes, 900 meters, so not bad. The next trail is the Given to Fly, the black trail. Wow! Mä en uskalla ajaa tuota step-uppia. Oi, menipä huonosti tuohon. No, ei se aina mene hyvin. Next trail is Force of Nature, blue trail. Wow, menipä pitkäksi.